Hey, the art chick here, and I'm going to be working on this dragon head that I got from Temu, and I'll put that description in the bottom, but I'm going to use Orion, and it's from Unicorn Spit, and I will put a link. See, I've already messed with this a little bit when I did the dragon, but I couldn't really use it for my other video so much, so that's why I'm going to use it on this dragon. And my plan is when the unicorn spit's all wet, I'm going to just sprinkle some of this on the top here and let that dry, and then we'll see how it works.
Colors swirl around me, lost in endless sea. A canvas is my guide, time just slips by. Music plays in the background, getting lost in the sound. I brush against the night, into a trance I slide. They start to matter, drops of dawn's hue. The brushes hold the clue. My hands move like magic, journey into the fantastic. Whispering shades of light, growing highlights white. Shades fall, painting all night. Moments keep changing around me. I paint all night. Shades fall and scatter. Dreams, they start to matter. Drops of dawn's hue, the brushes hold the clue. My hands move like magic, journey into the fantastic. Whispering shades of light, growing highlight white. Deep in the trance now, no escape somehow. Artist by night, I'm swirling paint tonight. I'm swirling paint tonight.
Got to spray it a little better than that, but it's hard to hold the camera up and spray because I don't want the spray to get on the camera. But yes, 2 coats of that and then you're good. 3 coats if you just want to make sure you're sure, but 2 coats will be fine.